since I've been here, just keep going. Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl Chiney, and welcome to another episode of the On My Mind series. You know, I've been in Jamaica for a couple weeks now, and I've been going out almost every single night. I mean, I talk about a minimum of 2 parties. You know, when you're in Jamaica, you have to do like 2 to 5 parties in a night if you start out early. And one thing I realize is, why the hell do Jamaican people party so much? I mean, we party every single night. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sometimes I all wonder if some of them people are not at work a morning. So I decided to ask some of them, why the hell do you think we party so much? And this is what they had to say.
The main reason Jamaicans party so much is because of the quality of the events that are keeping.
Girl like she.
Relax now, you have to skate.
Girl like she. Don't blush,
Anyways,
baby, don't blush.
We have a lot of quality event promoters around the place. You know, you have TNS, you have Young Kings, you have Fly Nation, all of us keeping good events. At the end of the day, people just want to come out and have a good time. And these are the guys providing a good time right now, so all of us come out and support all the time.
The girl who are record this, you want to see that girl out. This is why Jamaicans party.
DJ Cyclone from Copper Shot Sound. People party because one, they want to get rid of a little stress on the little 9 to 5 something there.
We love vibes, we love culture. I mean, we love to party. And we have a lot of stress, so we like the opportunity to take our minds off for the daily. Men love girls, and it's just, I mean, look at that. That's why we like to party. We love that.
I love girl, so man, I'll me free. Susan, we no fight, so me driving a Cali. I'm full of girls, super still go off a tree. We don't Chiney girls and get a girl from Realignment.
My name is Bridges, and I'm an artist. I'm a Jamaican artist. So I have to be in the streets every night, out of sight, out of mind. For regular people, they just love to party in Jamaica. Jamaican parties are off the hook. They don't flop. You're guaranteed to have fun.
Why we party so much? How we talk about money release the stress, the anger. You don't know in the road with that. We do for night all 3-4 party, you don't know.
It's their culture and they like the highest. I'm the highest. Sell the highest grade.
As a dancehall person who love and respect the dancehall for all that it is about. Jamaican people party because it is really the music is the heartbeat of our people. Really, it's the only thing that we can afford, and it give you a joy, keep you off of the roads, and keep you from doing things where we're not really supposed to do. We like to come together and enjoy ourselves. We love for music, and we say reggae and dancehall straight.
Enough people make their money for send them music to school in a party.
It's a lot of stress in Jamaica, and people want to have fun. Every day is a different day. Nobody want to be sad.
Shelly expressions from dance expressions. Jamaican people party a lot because it's a lifestyle that they live. It's a lifestyle that we live. It's about having fun. I mean, when you're going through pressures at home or anywhere at all. I mean, the party is where you come to relieve your stress, whether it's by dancing or DJing or just standing up in the street and flossing and observing other dancers and watching. So it's a way of life for us as Jamaicans. It's just a vibe, you know. We just go out, we drink, feel bebel, I feel nice, you know.
You want to know why we party so much? Well, me not even live here no more. And I'm here now. So you must know, it's the music, it's the food and the vibes. It's all about that. You can't resist it. It's a Jamaican thing. You have to live it, but know it.
So we are Realignment now, right? We are Realignment in Jamaica, right? It's called New Kingston, right? We're Realignment with the thugs, them, the girls, them, everybody, boy. See? Now Jamaican people they love to party. After Trinidad, and the soca is sweet, but dancehall is very much so on my mind.
The reason why Jamaican people party so much, it's part of our culture. You don't know after the slavery, you don't know you have to enjoy yourself with your friends them and go party because you know hard work and no play make Jack a dull boy.
Plus we believe we have the best music.
Yeah.
So that contributes to the whole factor, you know what I mean?
I don't know without music, Jamaica not go nowhere. Yeah. Reggae music, dancehall, everything. Music is life.
I guess we are the capital of the world with partying. So you know we have a party like 7 days. If we have 8 days of the week, we'd have party 8 days of the week. So we party 7 days of the week. You see it?
We as Jamaicans, it's in our culture and in our genes.
Why do Jamaican people like to party so much? Because we like to have fun, work hard, play hard.
Not just friend, not just devil. In a play hard, you'll get there. Just me. I don't ever bad mind you, but them bad mind you. Just why me say so? If they moving anti-social.
Because it vibes, it nice. Jamaica, yeah, we flavor, we rhythm, everything. Reggae must stay straight to the world. It's just our culture. We just like the excitement. That's us. That's Jamaican people. One love.
The music is good for the brains, for the mind and the soul. And if you love music, you're going to party a lot. Anywhere it is, you're going to find it.
Damn, my tigers are done. But you get what I'm saying, right? I do understand why we party so much. I mean, it's our lifestyle, it's our culture, and trust me, if you ever go on Jamaican dance or experience our nightlife, it is one not to mix. It's a whole different experience, and the feeling, I can't explain. You just have to come to Jamaica, come enjoy it. All right? Stick and stay to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. Woo!